I've been gone for too long, in a faraway land, trying to find my way in, searching for where I belong, coming up with a plan, somewhere I can begin. Memories of my hometown keep crawling back in my head. Been around the world all this time, still couldn't match how we felt, how we felt. I can't wait to get home. 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 Nothing else can compare. On my way, I'll be there. Sunshine like a heavenly oasis. I can feel the love from the family of faces. The sound of my homeland. She calling, I'm all in. Been traveling the globe for a while and I had a good time, but memories of my hometown keep crawling back in my head. Been around the world all this time, still couldn't match how we felt, how we felt. I can't wait to get home. I can't wait to
So one interesting thing about this camera is that you see those clips that you just watched. I shot them without holding this camera with my hands. I shot them hands-free. So you can call this camera a hands-free camera. You get the point. So I shot it going to those different places without anybody knowing that I have this camera on me. So that is the first thing. This camera is a hands-free camera. Then the second one is you can shoot on this camera without even being there. You get the point. You can shoot. This camera is a remote camera. So with his cousin, this is his cousin or maybe his assistant, I don't know what I would call it. So they call it, there's a special name, I'll put it on the screen that they have on this camera. So this is just like a monitor. So you can keep this camera away from you while recording. You can use this one to remotely, control this camera. So these are the unique features that, these are the particular features, main feature that I saw on this camera, or this camera have, that made me to get this particular camera. So now, before I got this camera, I've been contemplating having a vlogging camera like this, so that, when I have a thought I want to share with the community, I don't have to come down as a setup like this and shoot. And sometimes I want to shoot elsewhere outside the studio, like if I'm holding my phone, because I normally shoot with my phone when I'm outside here, but it creates that, that distraction is there, that attention is there. So it makes me not being comfortable. That's why I say most times I shoot inside my car. But with this, I can do virtually, make content virtually anywhere that I feel that is convenient for me. This wasn't my intention, but I have in mind that someday DJI will create a camera. We produce a camera like this, because I've been looking at DJI Pocket 3, the creator's combo, the one that have the mic and all the rest, and even a handheld. But the challenge I have with that is that it is not flexible. So this is, it's flexible, but this is more flexible. Like this, I can get a tripod for this, a portable tripod. And one good thing about this is that, like the DJI, the Pocket 3, you need to hold it with your hands or put it on a tripod. For this, practically, you can put it anywhere, and the back of this camera is magnetic. So maybe if you are vlogging, you can just place it somewhere and start doing your content creating. You use this one to monitor, to check your position, and then you start shooting. You can shoot it from you don't need to press the button, because it has a button, a record button here, but you can just use this, its assistant or its assistants, to do virtually the whole control. This particular pack or combo, it comes, I think they have about 3 types of combo. So with the standard combo, you have this, like this, the camera outside at the window of my car. This is what I use. So this particular thing is very, it can, you know, can stick to hard surface comfortably, and then this particular one, it can twist. So this is for mounting inside the car and possibly outside the car, but I will advise you to mount it outside the car because it has another particular combo that is meant for if you want to use it outside your car while driving. Then this one is for the cab. This is how it looks like. So you can use this for, okay, let me see if I can make a shot. So right now I'm shooting. So this is how my setup looks like. So this particular one, this one is like the chain. So you can put this and you can magnet. So most of the clips that I shot when I was walking around the mall, I shot it with this particular accessory. So that's it. After getting all these exciting features from this camera, the 2 regrets I had after buying it was that it doesn't work with this my microphone. So you know, this my microphone is the Hollyland 𝗕𝗲𝘀 2X. So this particular camera, it only works with the DJI microphones. And also, this my setup right here, you know, most of you know that I normally go live on this channel, and I can't use this as a webcam or as a camera for my live streaming. So well, I still believe that in the future, DJI can do something and, you know, update the firmware of this camera so that this complaint will be resolved. So, but it will be very nice that they allow other third-party products to work with their, with this DJI Osmo Nano. Then coming for the Pocket 3, the Pocket 3 works with any other accessories as long as you have the device you want to connect has a USB Type-C. You can connect it. Like I know that this particular microphone, this my lav mic, it works with Pocket 3 very well, but sadly it didn't work with this. So that is my, you know, one of the biggest headaches. So it's like DJI is forcing us, or forcing me, kind of getting their own mic even after having this. Please, DJI, if you are watching, please try and make this particular camera to work with other mic setup, audio setup, so that, you know, every other person will use it. And that's one of the problem I have with Apple. You see, Apple, they just customize their things, make it as if you are joining a cult. You can't be flexible. You can't use other, you know, devices with theirs. So please, DJI, don't follow that route, because I really love your product. So that is the 2 major reasons, or the major regrets I have getting this camera. But to you, that would possibly, probably not be an issue if you have a DJI mic already. So you don't need to bother about all that. Or if you don't have a setup like mine, you know, most times I shoot, I create my content with my laptop, not necessarily my phone. So that's it. Now coming to the quality, like another thing that attracted me to this particular camera is that it shoots in D-Log. D-Log is an advanced mode. Like if you're a videographer, you understand when you shoot in D-Log, the output is not that so catching the eye, but it gets a lot of information about a video, or if it is a photo shot, it gets a lot of information about that. And if you're a good video editor, you just need to just get, you know, you can walk around, you can tweak your video to look cinematic, and, you know, you can add different color profile that will enhance the quality of your video. Just like the clip you just watched earlier, you can see the D-Log version and then the one that I applied a lot from DJI as well. So in all, this camera is very, very, very good. If you're a content creator and you're planning to buy like your second camera. You get the point. I think it's worth investing in this. So, but like already I have a camera, so I have my phone with me, I have a digital camera, so this is just a add-up, and for this it's more of making my content creating flexible. I can shoot anywhere, and like b-rolls, you know, I can shoot b-rolls in the street without creating that scene. So this is one of the sweetest. In fact, I mean, in the coming videos I will try to creatively create content with this particular mic. So let me, I mean, not mic, I mean camera. It's more like a mic. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Are you willing to get it? And if you are within Lagos and you want to get one, I will share, I mean, the link to where I got this particular camera, so you can check out and then confirm the price before you make your purchase. That's just my overview about this camera. So if you love this and if this video was useful to you, please let me know by giving the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.